Hello Casio fans from all over the world. Check what I have here. Oh, no. It's not about this watch. But still, it is an old watch. Very old watch. Stay tuned to see what this video would be about. Thanks. Here would be the egg. Let's crack the watch out. Here it is. Slowly getting out. And this is it. This is the lovely small Casio that I have acquired. Whoa, pretty interesting watch. Metal baby. And the back case, it is screw lock back case. Wow. Very interesting watch. Very interesting watch. And it works. Not entirely. This pusher does not work. This watch looks so good. Let's see what we can do further on. Here would be this small beauty. So as you could probably see, the display is a little tilted. Therefore, I am not able to press these two pushers. So the mode pusher and the adjust pusher does not work. The light and the start stop is working. Start, stop, and the reset, which is also the light, this is working. What I am going to do is try to adjust a little to tilt it back to its original position of the module, and therefore the pushers should be aligned with the physical pushers. Let's start and open this watch. I have untightened the back plate with this tool, not under the camera because it is difficult for me. I do not have the proper position. And here it is, the beauty of this module, D19. So this is a 1977. This would be the two pushers that are working, and we can see that they make contact in between the physical pusher and the pusher from the PCB. And the problem is with this pusher. I can see that the pusher is touching the plate which should touch the PCB, but not this one. So maybe the plates are just need to be banded outside. Yeah, and I still have the rubber seal. Very beautiful module. It looks so professional. I am afraid to take it out, or maybe I would just tilt it a little. So I need to. I have tilted a little. It still does not work. These two are working, but this one still does not work. Let me see if the adjust pusher works. But under this menu it should not have any command, the adjust pusher. So I haven't done anything in particular. I have just pressed it, let's say, more times, this mode pusher, and now it has unblocked itself, and now everything works on this baby. Let's close the watch because it is very beautiful and I do not want to damage it. Timekeeping mode, stopwatch, start, stop, and light will reset it. And this is the time. So only stopwatch I have on this, and this is the date, and this is the light. Let me close my light. So this is the small faded light from the late 70s. Very beautiful. Now this is an exceptional watch. Here is the adjust pusher, and if I press it with the help of this screwdriver, we can see the blinking second, which means that we are now into adjust mode. Save. We hit adjust again, and the watch, it is working, and it is a beauty. Wow, very happy, very happy. I have paid for it 20 euros, shipment included. Wow, I'm so happy. Now the strap, this watch uses a strap similar to the old MQs. Let me show you one strap. Moving on to the strap. Now this is not the original strap, but it is one from the CA53, so from the calculator watch. I have put it because it has a lug area of 20 millimeters, and this one suited best, although the edges of the strap are a little over the lug area, but not that much, not that visible. I will order some straps from AliExpress. Maybe they would fit better until I find an original one or the original one. But until that moment, I will stick to it. Although now, according to today's trend, I might put this one. Will it fit? I have easily removed the straps, and here is how it looks with this leather strap. Now there are trends with the A158 having this leather strap, so this could be an option. Let me know your opinion into the comment section. I tend to like it. What's your opinion? So this metal case watch has a diameter of 35 millimeters, so it is a small watch, I would say. The lug to lug, it is 35-36, so it is a square watch, and the thickness, it is 8 millimeters. It is a very thin watch, very beautiful in this way. Moving on to the back case. Now here we have something that we are unfamiliar. We have here this code, which according to my memory would mean this 7 would mean 9077. It cannot be 87 because it is a very old model, so 9077 would be the best guess. And also this is identified under a different pattern, so the model is 60QS-20. So we do not have the model nor the module number, but we have the stainless steel back case, the Casio logo, and Japan. Also we can see that it does not have water resistance, so no marker for water resistance, although we could see the rubber seal that sealed this screw lock back case. If we would try to put this watch on the wrist, here is how it would look like. Pretty interesting watch. It is a little heavier compared to the actual plastic case watches, but yeah, you do not feel it. Let's be reasonable. It is a great watch, a cool watch. I am definitely very happy and satisfied with it. I have paid only 20 euros, shipment included, so beautiful watch. Yeah, for sure I would need to invest a little into cleaning its display, so polishing a little this plastic display, and also in a new strap, maybe one that suits better, a metal one. This is the watch in its final condition for the moment. We can see that it is pretty flat. It is an interesting watch, although it has so few features. Just a stopwatch. Stopwatch, and again timer, so no alarm, no nothing. Oh, we have the light. Let's not forget about the light. But it is a dual tone. We have those markers written in yellow, which gives a little contrast to this black and dark blue display. If we take a look at the pushers, they are somehow a little towards 12 o'clock, but maybe it fools me because of the dark colors. And on the other side we have the adjust pusher, which is integrated into this metal case, which is a good thing because you would not like to decalibrate the watch. So my dear friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this watch. It is a beautiful watch, and it is very satisfying to have it in a collection. An old watch, 1977, pretty old watch. Definitely it is good for your collection and for my collection also. Thank you, and wishing you the best. And do not forget to subscribe and leave your thoughts and your comments into the comment section for sure. Have a great day.